And here we are. Sunbeams are already going down. I don't know if they're to the maximum yet or not, so we'll have to get down there. Yeah, they're shining down into the upper chamber. Today we're hiking back to Slender Man. However, today's hike's a little different. I'm bringing this with me, and we're going to be unboxing it in the Slot Canyon. This is actually a 16 by 20 metal print of one of my favorite photos that I've taken down there. Slender Man Glows is what I call it. It really captures the color, the vivid color you can get in the bottom of that slot during about a 10-minute period out of each day, where the sunbeams actually work their way down through all the curves to the bottom of the slot. And during that, during that 10-minute period where they're down in the bottom of the slot, it illuminates parts of the rock, puts others in dark shadow, and it's just an amazing, ever-changing time to take as many photos as you can, to capture it in as many ways as you can. It's an amazing place, an amazing sight. I decided that instead of just taking a photo of the unboxing and me holding the print in a gallery or something like that in my lab, it'd be way cooler, more impactful to do the unboxing and the photos and the video actually in the slot, so that whoever wins this giveaway, they'll be able to say that they've got a little bit of Slender Man's dirt with the piece. If you go to the link in the description, put your email address in, prove you're not a robot, then you're entered for a chance to win this print. The new website is barynewsart.com, and that is B-A-R-Y, just one R, N-U-S-Z-A-R-T.com. And you can see the pieces I have out there available for sale, and many more are in the works. If you've been following me, you know I've spent a lot of time out here, and I've got a ton of material, and it just takes time to really get it looking good enough for a large print. And so I'm working diligently to get many more pieces out there. This is the beginning of the slot. This is by far the most remote, isolated, difficult places to get in the canyon. This is the entrance to the first chamber. Call it the lower chamber or the cathedral chamber because it is wide open at the bottom and narrow at the top. It's absolutely beautiful. We're here in Slender to unbox my favorite photo that I've taken in Slender from this spot right here. This is a metal print. Which I really like metal prints because they really handle bright contrasts and colors really well. Save that box. Work. Comes with a nice cleat to hang on the wall. Try not to damage the packaging too much. Because I'm packing it back up and hauling it back out, and then I'll mail it to whoever is the winner on my new website giveaway contest. Try to keep this dust free as I can. There it is. There's only a couple times each day, or actually just one time out of any given day where the sun is shining. About 10 minutes out of that day, you'll see this from the spot. And it's absolutely beautiful. It's the only time that the sunbeams can make it down into this deep slot. And for 15-20 minutes around this time, it's just a constantly changing, dazzling array of color changes. And it's really something to witness. But this is so far my favorite photo I've taken in this slot. And if you want a chance to win it, just go to the link down below. Enter your email address and I'll pick a winner in about 10 days. So, good luck. Slender is made up of 3 chambers. First one is the lower chamber, or I like to call it the cathedral chamber, because it's very wide at the bottom and narrow at the top. This is where the cowboys back around the early part of 1900s came and rested after they were after a long day of work, or during the middle of the day taking a break from cutting cedar posts. No doubt the Indians came here to escape the heat of the day during summertime. So This is the part of the slot where we kind of gave it its name, called Slender Man. And you really need to be slim to fit through this part of the slot. I'm becoming not so thin, so it makes it a little difficult. I know when I need to lose some weight when I come here and I can't fit. This is the middle chamber. This is the deepest part of the slot. The last time we measured it, it was 35 feet, but it has since washed out a little bit at the bottom here, so we're gonna have to remeasure this. The cathedral chamber, or the lower chamber there, you can see it rises 2 or 3 feet, and the last time we measured it, it was about 32 to 33 feet, depending upon where we were at the top. Spectacular views. We missed, the sunbeams have already passed, and there's about a 10-minute period out of each day that the sun is out where the sunbeams work their way all the way from the top down into this lower part, and actually will shine on the ground down here and light up different parts of the wall. And during that time, it's just an ever-changing scene of colors and glows and shadows. It is amazing. We're now climbing to the, what we call the upper chamber, which is really difficult to get to. The first time we clambered up here, I didn't know how to get back down, because I looked down and it's a long ways down without a rope or a ladder. So thankfully one of my buddies went up top, found a log, and dropped it down to me. I was able to use the log as an anchor to attach some paracord that would help me not fall down that drop off. Even with the ladder, this last little bit, it's still not the easiest, but it's definitely doable now. And again, helps to be slender. So welcome to the upper chamber. It's actually not large, at least size-wise. You can fit 2 people here comfortably, but it's about 24 to 23 feet deep and absolutely beautiful, especially when the sun is shining down, which the sun's already passed. You can see the last bit of sunbeams leaving the slot right there. But when this is lit up, oh, it is something else. So that's the walkthrough, the complete walkthrough, the first one that I've been able to make of Slender Man. Again, that ladder is a 16-foot ladder. So that kind of gives you the scale of how deep Slender Man is. It's something else.